I'm doing great. How you doing?
Awesome, brother. Nice to meet you, man. I know you're busy, so if you're
Very
cool,
good.
we can just jump right in, man.
Of course.
Awesome, man. So, yeah, kind of just tell me about the business. I know you're in Ricardo's Plumbing. Kind of tell me what's going good, what's going wrong, and see how I
Uh,
can help you.
Very busy. I get a lot of calls. I have work. I have one or two jobs a day, um, and it's hard for me to answer the phone. It's hard for me to answer the phone. I need ads, and then I need them to be able to respond to people.
So, I'm getting a lot of volume. So you are getting a lot of leads right now.
Yes.
It's a lot of phone calls. And where are these calls coming from? Where are these? How are you getting all these
Most of
business?
them would be from my area, Google.
So you're on Google My Business, Google Maps.
Yeah,
Okay. And do you have a website?
I do not.
Okay. People are just calling you from Google. You're getting slammed with calls. Are you missing phone calls?
Yeah, exactly. No, it's like 2 to 5 calls a day, and I do miss calls because I'm the one that I have to answer the phone, but I'm also the one doing the work.
Okay. So I guess what kind of solution are you looking for here? What's the main problem you're facing?
Um, I like because sometimes people call, and it's just for questions or just basic questions. I like to have something that people can fill out like a form.
Okay. Okay. So just streamlining the intake process for new leads and kind of making that streamlined.
Yeah,
Okay. Have you tried anything in the past, or is this your first time dealing with this and you're ready to just find a solution?
and I've been dealing with it. I mean, I knew I had the problem, but I haven't had time, and you called me, so perfect time.
We can definitely set up some AI systems in the back end to help with those phone calls. AI receptionist, AI chatbot, answer all those questions. Start with the basics, right? So you say you don't have a website. Why is that?
I'm not tech savvy.
Okay, so that's just the main reason why you haven't got a website. You're just letting that get in the way.
I'm good at getting plumber leads, word of mouth, but anything to do with the online, I don't know anything.
Okay. Are you ready to get a website up and running?
I'm ready. Yeah,
Why? Why now?
because I have the employees and I need to put them to work.
But why not just stick to the word of mouth? So you're getting a lot of business.
Um, I want to go to the next level. Let's say that.
Okay. Um, and what do you think that those next level plumbers have in the Houston area that you're missing?
Um, it'll be, let's say, communication with the customers.
Okay. Also, would you agree that it's also that online presence as well?
Of course, yeah. There you go. That's what it's
Okay,
missing. Exactly. Yeah.
exactly. So top guys, it's coming into 2026 now. You've seen AI. I'm sure you heard the news. Social media's going crazy as well. Google's going crazy. So that's just where the eyeballs are at in 2026. Word of mouth is great. Referrals work great. Business cards, but the people that are dominating, it's from Google. It's from social media. So um, it sounds to me that you're ready to start getting more traffic, getting more eyeballs, and more eyeballs, more traffic, more leads are great. But if we don't have the systems as well, it's still going to fall apart, right?
Of course.
So you're kind of just looking to improve the business as a whole in 2026 with the social online presence, with the website, and then this AI systems in the back end, correct?
Of course. Yeah.
Okay, so I like to start with the basic stuff with the websites. So
Okay.
if it's okay with you, I can show you that homepage preview that I built out for you,
Let's do it.
and we can go from there. Cool. So this is what you have, right? The Google Business page, which is great.
Yeah.
You see the reviews, you see the phone number. Once
Yeah.
again, the one thing you're missing is the website icon. So as you can see, your top competitors have the website icon. So if customers want to do more research on the business, maybe they never heard of Ricardo's Plumbing, maybe they want to see some pictures and some more trust. They need to see that website, right? But
Yeah.
obviously, there's nothing that you have on there, so you're not even going to show up on this list because Google pushes people that have websites, right?
Okay.
See this guy with no website, he's towards the bottom.
I was
People with
wondering about that. I was wondering about that. Thank you.
yeah, so boom. Anyways, let me go ahead and dive into the website that I built you. Boom. See, yeah, man. Here's the website preview I went ahead and built for you. Thing with this one, once again, the frequently asked questions. I was going to answer. If we scroll down here, our services so we can hit learn more, and it breaks down every service we have to offer here, right?
Yeah.
Breaks down every service so customer knows exactly what we have to offer. They know the process. Okay, we need a contact, consultation, deposit. Breaks down your process, gives them more information, builds some more trust, and then we hit them with the call to action. So boom, some people maybe they don't want to call you right away, right? But they want to quote. Maybe they have a bathroom remodel, right? They need to get the repiping done or whatever. Maybe they have a project in the future. Boom, they can leave their name, number, email, best time to contact, and then a brief description on the project, right? This is gonna go straight to this is gonna straight to your inbox, straight to your email. You have your sales rep take a look at this, call the lead up, or you yourself can call the lead, see how you can help, book them in on an estimate, right? So just another way to increase the lead flow so you can keep your crews busy year round. Um, Phone calls are great, but having that second stream of lead flow on the forms is going to once again keep your crews busy so you can scale, get more crews, and keep the business flowing, keep the cash flowing, so you can grow like you wanted to, right?
Nice.
Um, so this is the basis of the website. We have the form here, obviously the call button, the contact button page, basically just the basics part of the website. But that's the main point of the website. So, how does that look and sound to you?
Yeah, bro. Let's start. How do we start?
So the website is going to be a one-time investment of $1,000. It's to fully set up and build everything out. And to get started today, we would need a deposit of $500, 50%.
Perfect. Okay. Let's run it. How do we run the card?
Sounds good, man. I can go ahead and pull up this invoice and get it sent over to you, and then also send you over the agreement, the contract, just so everything's on paper. So you own the website and everything like that. And yeah, if that sounds good, I can send that over to you.
All right, Diego, let's do it.
Cool.